Hello guys! Fruit salad naman ang gagawin natin ngayon, pero may kakaibang twist. Yes, you heard it right. May kakaibang twist. Kasi sa fruit salad na ito, may na-discover ako. Baka ngayon mo lang narinig to, pero trust me, sobrang crunchy at masarap. Kala namin, kaunti lang ang magagawa naming fruit salad kasi maliit lang pala ang nabili naming canned mixed fruits. Kaya, naisip namin maglagay ng pipino. Pang-extender lang sana. Pero guess what? Ito ang na-discover ko. Ang sarap pala ng pipino dito. Nakakabawas ng umay. Binabalanse niya yung tamis ng condensed milk at cream. Pangdagdag lang sana, naging star ingredient pa. So, ito na nga ang ating mga ingredients. Nahin natin ang bida ng reseping ito, ang cucumber. At alam nyo ba na ang cucumber is 95 to 96% water, kaya perfect siya pang neutralize ng sobrang tamis ng condensed milk at cream. Nakakatanggal ng umay. By the way, kilala mo ba si Sebastian Sasque? Siya lang naman ang the Guinness World Record holder for being able to grow a cucumber measuring up to 3 feet and 8.6 inches long. Yes, ganun kahaba. Of course, meron tayong apples. Familiar tayo sa kasabihan na an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Pero ang original version pala nito ay eat an apple on going to bed and it'll keep the doctor from earning his bread. This was originated in Wales in the 1860s. At meron rin tayong peras or pear. One medium pear contains about 6 grams of fiber, which is over 20% of our daily need. Pears are naturally hypoallergenic. Pears are low in allergens and easy to digest. Of course, meron tayong cheese. Mayroon rin tayong grapes. Grapes, especially yung red at black, contains resveratrol, a natural compound linked to heart health, anti-aging, and even brain protection. At of course, pag grapes, di natin malilimutan na ang raisin ay gawa dito. Finally, mayroon tayong nata de coco. At kung ang raisin ay nagmula sa grapes, ang nata de coco naman ay nagmula sa fermented coconut water. Yes, nata de coco is made from fermented coconut water. Alam mo ba na naimbento ito sa Pilipinas noong 1949? Naimbento ito ni Chodola Calao Africa, isang food technologist, at ang pangalang nata de coco is a Spanish word which means cream of coconut. At ayan na nga ang iba pa nating ingredients. Meron tayong all-purpose cream. Naglagay ako ng cream densada, but it's up to you kung lalagay ka din. At nag-add din ako ng condensed milk and a pinch of salt. Paghaluin lang natin lahat ng ingredients, then i-chill natin for 1 to 2 hours para mas masarap. Ayan na nga. Creamy, sweet, tapos may crunch at freshness pa from the cucumber. Kung sawa na kayo sa regular fruit salad, try this cucumber twist version. Comment kayo kung na-try nyo na ito or first time nyo lang na narinig. This is Rain's Chronicle. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Until next time, bye!